I get all itchy. So I got Subway again. I got salami on it as an addition. And I went to Log Cabin again. And the special, they always have like a special they have outside. And the special today was pecan maple ice latte. So I'm gonna try this. I feel like it's really hard for me to say. I feel like I can't taste it once again. Like, I definitely can taste the espresso, but not the maple or pecan. There's so many bugs. Last night, I slept fine, which is unusual because usually I have a really hard time sleeping. But I woke up and I had like a bunch of bumps on my elbow. I had a bunch of bumps on my elbow and I had one on my leg. A mosquito had been biting me throughout the night, and oh my gosh. Got this, which I can't remember what it is, to be honest. I just know I like it, but I'm gonna have it at work for dinner. This is like brown sugar, maybe cinnamon, but it's really good. I'm gonna eat my sandwich now. My usual Italian herbs and cheese meatball marinara, toasted with extra provolone, this time with salami, and then toasted with a black olive and parmesan. You don't need to watch me eat for like the 5th time in a row. Just got done with work. And it's raining. It was raining earlier. You can't even see it. Hi. Oh. I forgot. I had to park far away. Oh, it's not raining as hard as it was. Look at that. Look at the sky. Whoa, that was sick. Alright, I got Domino's. I'm gonna go get my Domino's now. Awesome. Time to go get Domino's. I got my pizza. Almost stepped in a giant puddle. It's surprising me because there's not a lot of thunder. It's just mostly lightning. No lightning. Pizza now in my massive room. For some reason, I got a medium. Like, I ordered a medium, and I don't know why I ordered a medium, because I don't eat a lot, so I have no idea why I ordered a medium. I'll just give the rest to my sister in the morning. So, don't know why I only got sausage on half. I need to pay attention to my orders next time.